Proper cleaning and disinfecting is about more than just improving your facility's appearance. It's about improving the safety, health, and well-being of anyone that uses your school. You are a critical component for the health and safety of your school's community, and we at SPRUCE are here to support you with the best products and processes to help you achieve the best results. It is important that you follow well-established and proven guidelines for cleaning and disinfecting to ensure that you are helping your facility in the safest and most effective way possible. Before cleaning any area, it is important that you wear the necessary PPE or personal protective equipment in order to protect yourself. It is also important that you familiarize yourself with the safety data sheets and product labels of each product that you'll be using for cleaning and disinfecting. Doing so not only provides you the information on the best way to use the product, but will also help keep you safe. You can review Section 8 of the product SDS, which clarifies personal protection guidelines for the product. SDSs can be easily found at SSS.com by searching a product and then looking under the Regulatory tab. It is also critical that secondary labels are placed on any trigger sprayer or container used to carry chemicals that is not the original packaging. It is also important to remember that only non-porous surfaces can be disinfected. A non-porous surface is a material that does not absorb moisture, such as plastic, metal, glass, or ceramic. Examples of non-porous surfaces include objects like tables, desks, and chairs. When utilizing chemical disinfectants, an important consideration is the dwell time of the disinfectant. It is important that you understand the correct dwell time for each disinfectant used so that you can ensure that you are getting the correct efficacy out of the disinfectant. Dwell times for each product can be found on the product label. Be sure to follow your facility's guidelines for proper disinfection. Today we learn about the most effective ways to clean a classroom. Items that you will need for classroom cleaning include the following. Classrooms are the main centers of learning and the heart of any school. There are places where students will spend most of their time during their day, and as a result, must be cleaned and disinfected regularly to preserve health and safety throughout your building. To begin, prop open the door to the classroom. This ensures proper airflow and helps reduce a point of contact if you must enter or exit the room. Once you're in a room, begin by disinfecting the high touch points first. High touch points are areas of the room that are touched by hand often throughout the day. These include tables, light switches, door handles, cabinets, countertops, and computer keyboards, among others. As you begin cleaning high touch points, make sure you are working clockwise around the perimeter of the room before moving inwards to ensure you are not missing anything. High touch points should be disinfected multiple times throughout the day, since students, teachers, and staff interact with them often. When disinfecting light switches or other electrical devices, do not spray directly onto the surface. Instead, spray disinfectant into your microfiber cloth, then wipe the surface. For surfaces like the whiteboards, use a cleaner specialized for that surface whenever possible. This will ensure effective cleaning and prevent any damage to the surface. When cleaning and disinfecting counters, desks, and chairs, use a microfiber cloth folded into fourths. This allows you to wipe down each student desk using a different side of the cloth, reducing cross-contamination. Spray the surface or cloth with the disinfectant cleaner and wipe. Always ensure that the surface remains wet for the entire dwell time. If part of a surface begins to dry out at any point before the recommended dwell time, re-wet that area. After following the proper dwell time, disinfectant can be allowed to air dry or wiped clean with a microfiber cloth. If students are utilizing the desks to eat at any time during the day, the desks must be rinsed with potable water after disinfecting. Once all sides of a microfiber cloth have been used, place it in a designated bucket. Do not reuse dirty microfiber cloths until they have been properly cleaned. Some schools also choose to utilize electrostatic spraying as an alternative to traditional trigger sprayers. If you are thinking of using an electrostatic sprayer, first confirm that the product you are using lists electrostatic spraying as a recommended method of application. This information can be found on the product label or by consulting with the manufacturer. If a product does not list this information on the label, You can still use a sprayer, provided you turn off the electrostatic charge. It is also important that classroom floors are properly cleaned once a day after school to remove dirt or other debris and maintain a healthy environment. Finally, remove the trash, making sure to disinfect the inside of the barrel using a microfiber cloth before replacing the can liner. Classroom cleaning is one of the most critical steps to keep students and faculty healthy. Regular cleaning and proper disinfecting will reduce cross-contamination, eliminate exposure to pathogens, and improve the overall appearance of your school. Remember to wash your hands after completing all cleaning tasks to ensure that your safety is preserved and reduce cross-contamination. For more information or for other cleaning protocols, please visit our website or reach out to us directly.